Boys and girls, today in maths we're going to be looking at maths vocabulary. It's really important that we increase our vocabulary every year for maths. Maths vocabulary comes up in problem solving all the time. We need to be able to read and understand lots of maths words. Can you now pause the video and have a read through the vocabulary for today down the bottom? And can you figure out what vocabulary it's in relation to? What topic in maths? Is it shape and space? Is it time? Is it symbols? Is it weighing? Have a guess. What do you think it might be? Very good. It's all in relation to time. Well done. So now what we'd like you to do is either open up Planet Maths on page 127 and do it in your book, or you can look at the attachment on Seesaw and you can do it as an activity on Seesaw. Well done.